This is my review of the Roomba 405. It was super easy to put together with a tank, iRobot, some cleaning discs, and a ramp. I was scared at first, but it turned out to be kind of fun to put together. In fact, I had all the directions on this cardboard cutout and very simple to assemble. In fact, it was so simple, my 7-year-old was able to do it without instructions. And we had some fun putting it together and downloaded the app. We were able to start cleaning within just a few hours after it charged. And overall, it has been awesome. We named it Ruby, and we're super excited about this high tech toy. We love it.